Okay, getting some burger box on a public holiday. Okay, delicious cheesy jalapeno bacon burger, saucy fries, and this is a I don't know what chicken burger, bacon, avocado, cheese. Okay, I can't see anything except my hand. Oh, delicious. Good day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay, today we're looking at Belladios. Let me quickly show you the box. We're looking at this one, but before we get into this one, let me show you a few others. Okay, this one I love. This is the rosewood. I think it's a Terrier. Okay, beautiful sod buster style knife. Quite thick in end. It feels wonderful. Nice back spring on this thing. Nice snappy action. Brass pins everywhere. Beautiful thing. And these are extremely inexpensive. So I got this one. Actually, I got a few of these. I gave one to my father and I think one to my brother. This one I've never even opened yet. This is the beautiful, what's this, olive wood. Yeah, beautiful olive wood. Same wonderful sodbuster style knife. First time opened ever. Okay, then take this stuff away. Then I showed you this one in a previous video. This is a big hawk ball. Okay, nice half stop, nice walk and talk, beautiful shape. I love the handle on this thing. You can prune or cut biltong or do whatever you want to do forever. Okay, beautiful brass pins again. This looks like some kind of laminate, a wood laminate. Lovely, and a big bail on it. Okay, so I'm quite fond of that one. Electrician's knife. Okay, there we go. And then this was my first Belladio that I ever got, the Papagayo, which means parrot. And I showed you this thing, I think it was in conjunction with Old Kershaw, yes. So go check out all the videos on these guys if you want to see it. Backlock knife, but you press there to unlock it. Nice action, nice rubbery scales. Lovely, lovely spear blade and a very straightforward handle. Okay, like I said, if you want to see videos on these guys, go check it out. Now, this is the thing I want to show you now. This has been, I think, this is the cheapest Belladio you can find. Now, if I remember correctly, it's made in China, but it's a, what's it, a French company. Yeah, I'm going to go with that. There we go. Another little electrician's knife. But I've actually been using this thing as my Bucky knife for a while now. Very simple, very plain plastic handle. Nice, thin little hawkball blade. Belladio, and that's all it says. Very simple construction. Simple back spring. Nice snap on it. It does feel a bit gritty, but yeah, I haven't cleaned it or anything. Nice snap on it. But when you look at this thing, it looks tiny. But you can still get 4 fingers on the blade. On the, what's that thing? The handle. Let's just quickly do this. In centimeters, about 16 overall. In inches, almost 6 and almost 6.5. Okay, so it's not a huge knife, but it's definitely big enough to do whatever you want to do with it. And like I said, I'm not sure how much these cost. I bought mine on auction at Pickled Steel. They have random things on auction there, and every now and again there's a little gem. Okay, so Belladio, another electrician's knife. And Belladio as a brand is pretty cool. Okay, go check out my other videos on this. And I will see you later today or tomorrow. I'm intending, yeah, my little holiday is wrapping up, so I need to wrap up a few videos. Okay, I was making kindling, and I split this piece of wood. This is a piece of hardwood. I'm going to make a spatula out of this, and I'm going to carve it with my Mora companion. I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, nice handle, nice scoop, and now I'm going to finish it on a grinder or something. Good job. Okay, so after a bit of knifing, we've got this round on this side, flat on this side, wonderful handle, space for a lanyard. We can scoop, we can stir. I think that thing is perfect. It looks like a knife, but it's not. It's like a spatula, and it's supposed to get into the corners of your pot. Let's make food, I think. Okay, this is what my awesome spatula looks like after it has been oiled. Braaiwood is fantastic for everything. Okay, our power has been off since last night, but today's such a lovely day. I'm just making a fire to sit next to it. Because the one thing that South Africa does beautifully is make us prepared for these types of things. Okay, so on here I have my awesome, what's this thing called? A billy can. Inside we have a delicious stew going. Yes, that's a big lump of butter. I just added that. Delicious. Okay, the soothing sounds of birds and generators. Okay, I'm done with this. If you have made it till the end of this video, you are fantastic. Give yourself a thumbs up and have a fantastic rest of your day. Goodbye.